Hey guys, I'm Tejaswini. Welcome to Med Square. Today we'll be talking about the best resources for the following subjects: pathology, pharmacology and microbiology. As you all know that I'm a second year medical student, the subjects that I mentioned earlier are the ones that I have for my university this year as well. So the resources that I'll be using can be used for both my university exams and for my phase 1 of step 1 preparation. The idea is that the basic fundamentals for the subjects are the same even if you prepare for step 1 or for your university exams. So let's dive right in and discuss about them. All the resources that I will be talking about are the ones that I feel are the best, and this is my personal opinion, and this may vary from person to person, and I'm not sponsored by any of these resources. So let's start with pathology. For pathology, I highly recommend Pathoma. The video lectures supplemented with the PDF are the best for pathology. The basic concepts are pretty clear and the explanation for each topic is concise and high yield information is present, and the way each is explained with some memory cues is extraordinary. So Pathoma is the best, and the bonus part is that you do not need to take notes because all of it is present in the lecture notes or the PDF. So you can just underline and keep adding any extra notes that you want to do. So Pathoma for pathology. And then if we get started with microbiology. So listen to me very closely. I was one of those who was very frightened or intimidated by microbiology because of all the number of factual information that had to be remembered. And then I came across Sketchy Micro, and it is a game changer, definitely. Sketchy Micro along with Sketchy Micro flashcards or PDF by the sketchymedicine.com is the go-to for microbiology. Coming to pharmacology, initially you have to go through the textbook for the mechanism of action and general understanding, and after that you can watch sketchy videos and use the flashcards for remembering the drug suffixes and the mechanism of action, side effects and all of that. So once you know the working, you can then dive into the video. You can use the video initially as well, but you might want to watch the video twice in that case. And apart from these three resources for phase 1, I highly recommend using Anki, and the decks that I use for the three subjects respectively are Duke's deck for Pathoma, because Duke's deck has a chapter-wise division, which makes it easy for me because once I study a chapter, I then use those flashcards to revise the chapter. And for Sketchy and Pharma, use Pepper's deck, and I will be including all the information in a link below. So click on that. I will be writing all of this down so that you can get a more clearer picture. Also note that all of these resources are for my phase 1 preparation, and other resources will be discussed in detail later on. You can get these resources either by subscribing to the official websites, or you can check out the Drive link below in my description box. If you would like to watch more such informative videos, do drop suggestions and let me know. So do like the video and subscribe.